Welcome back to my kitchen. Y'all, I know I am late to the party. This Cinnabon cinnamon roll viral TikTok hack, I'm late, okay? My sister told me about this probably about 5-6 months ago maybe. Several of you have requested it, so that's what we're doing today. Now, I did my little research trying to figure out exactly, okay, what are they doing to these grand cinnamon rolls now? And it's several different variations as it pertains to measurements and exactly what people are doing. So I love that because people are kind of, you know, putting their own little spin on it. But in my research, I came across this particular YouTube channel, Eric and Teresa. Y'all, Eric was holding it down in the kitchen, making these cinnamon rolls. And he even washed his hands. So y'all know I love it. So shout out to Eric and Teresa. I will link their video below where they did these cinnamon rolls. And you guys go over there, check them out, let them know that Miss Donna sent you. And we're gonna get started with our version, okay? Of course, I too have washed my hands thoroughly. Don't be in the kitchen with nasty hands, y'all, because that's just nasty. Nasty, okay? All right. So, of course, we're using these Grand's cinnamon rolls. And I will be using 6 tablespoons of unsalted melted butter. That's what I have here. I have 1 cup of brown sugar and then 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon. And see, this is the part you just, you know, it's like whatever you like, all right? If you want more cinnamon, add it. If you don't want as much cinnamon, then just use a little less, all right? Then we have this heavy whipping cream here. And I'm starting with 3/4 of a cup because, again, I'm trying to get specific measurements. So I'm going to start with 3/4 of a cup, and we'll see if that's enough. If not, I can always add some more. In the meantime, I'm going to put them in my skillet, y'all. And I have the butter wrapper that I used. It was still some butter left in there, so I'm just taking this little wrapper and rubbing my pan real good, lady. Quit dropping butter on the floor, okay? So that's what I'm doing. And then I'm going to take my cinnamon rolls. Now, you all, I'm going to make me some extra icing because there is never, ever, ever, ever enough icing in these cans of cinnamon rolls. So once I put these in, we're going to make some more. Or make some to go with it. Because, honey, that little bit right there, that's just enough to make me mad. That's all that's going to do is make me mad. Me and my children and my husband. My dude number 1. Okay. And y'all, I'm just doing 1 can of these because that's all we need. That is all we need. The more we have, the more we'd have to eat. And I said, I'm not getting ready to do that. So we're just gonna do this 1 can. Now I think one of the tricks to it, if you will, I think it's probably gonna be important to make sure that you pour this heavy whipping cream on top of the rolls. I think that's what's gonna help them, be soft. So we're going to pour this directly on top of these rolls. I'm trying to make sure I get every little bit of the roll covered too, okay? And you'll notice that it is enough that it coats my pan, all right? Okie dokie. So let me slide this right here. Next, we're going to take this brown sugar and this cinnamon, and we're going to mix it. Mix it with this butter. And you guys, I wanted my mixture to be kind of thick. I didn't want it too runny. Slide you guys back just a little bit. Okay. Yeah, I didn't want it too runny. I wanted it kind of, I guess, kind of gooey, if you will. Okay, so now that I have that mixed up good. Oh, you guys, I forgot, my husband, he loves pecans, and I'm gonna put some pecans on his. Oh, I'm glad I remember that. I almost forgot. Let me go grab his. Let's see, make sure I got enough on each one. Grab his pecans. He look like he a little special. Let me get him out of there. Okay. Alright, so that's it. You want to make sure that you cover totally covering the pan with foil. Make sure it's covered good now. And then we're going in 350 degrees for about 30 minutes, okay? My oven is already preheated. 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Yeah, look at that bubbling. Oh my goodness. Can y'all see that? Ooh, y'all know I can't tilt it too much. Ooh, listen, let me tell you. Ooh, child. Okay, so this has to cool. I'm gonna sit this here. Let me sit it on something and let it cool. Sit it on my rack. Ooh, that looks so good, and haven't even added the glaze yet. Ooh, okay, let me get this glaze done. I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons of this butter that was left. And about 2 tablespoons of this cream cheese. Mix this up just a little bit. You guys, when I do a glaze, I always do it by hand. I don't pull out the mixer. Just get a good arm workout. Okay, maybe about a cup of this powdered sugar with about a teaspoon of vanilla. And when you add your liquid, you guys add just a little bit at a time. You can add, you know, heavy whipping cream. You can add milk. I'm going to add just a little bit of this coffee creamer. This Cold Stone sweet cream coffee creamer. Just a little bit, because if you get it too thin, if you add too much and you get it too thin, you're gonna have to add more powdered sugar. Okay? I like to get it thick in the beginning. That way, it's easier for me to smooth. Okay? This is the glaze that came in the cinnamon rolls. We're just going to add that to it. just that quick, we have extra glaze. See? Okay. That's how I do my glaze. I'm just gonna let it cool just maybe another minute or two, because like I don't want it to just all melt off. So let me give it another couple of minutes before I add the glaze. Okay, we're adding the glaze. Y'all, they standing over there waiting. Ooh-wee. Y'all, we like extra glaze, okay? If you don't like this much glaze, don't add it. Come on, y'all. Come on. You ready, Jackson? You gonna try it? You ready? All right, let's see. Let's see what everybody's talking about.
The bottom of my hand, maybe.
Yours has the
walnuts.
no, pecans.
Go!
The pecans, and I didn't put a whole lot of pecans. So
I stopped eating pecans.
you ain't stopped telling the story.
Oh, what you mean? I didn't stop telling the story. I did stop eating pecans.
Listen, I'm not gonna be able to eat. I want to taste one of y'all. You know what? I forget. I meant to do the I meant to do my thumbnail before I dug in it, and I forgot.
It's like
You want Papa to hold
Cinnabon.
you?
Say, Papa, I want you to
We'll do what's left, y'all. I meant to do my thumbnail before I dug in. Hand me another pot holder back there, please. Whew. Whew. I meant to do it before I dug in it, but I forgot. Hey, babe, come on, look up.
Man.
You getting in it, Denise? That'll do it. But y'all look at the ooey gooey that's still running in there.
You just gotta get a big
Y'all
plate.
see it?
Where your fork go? You gonna get some, Mama?
Yeah, we gonna take. Okay, now they say, cause y'all know we gonna tell the truth. They say this supposed to taste like Cinnabon.
Right? We gonna see. I'm gonna let you take the first bite.
Look, Jackson said he want. You gotta use the bathroom.
No, I'm excited.
Oh, you. I'm gonna take my little bite, but I ain't gonna say nothing. Now I usually like the middle of it. Let me show y'all. I usually like the middle of the Cinnabon.
You still want Papa like there? You can eat with you in his hands.
Hey, this tastes like.
You haven't even tasted it yet. So Papa, you gotta learn how to multitask.
What you think?
Ooh, it's soft.
It's soft.
This is
I
good.
did that big piece.
Boy, I know, right? Look at her face, y'all. Look at her face. Look at her face. Is it good?
OMG.
They quiet, y'all. Listen.
It's so soft.
It's
like the
soft.
roll.
It is, and I really believe it's like a soft roll. Did you say hey, everybody? Hey, everybody. I believe the key to the softness is to make sure you pour the heavy whipping cream directly on the roll.
This is good.
Y'all, is it Cinnabon worthy though?
It really is. No, really. This tastes like the one.
It's pretty darn close.
It
It's
tastes
pretty
like-
darn close. It's- yeah.
Like what y'all go to the mall and get.
Can I have the inside of yours?
Actually, please don't ask.
Please don't ask me.
What you think?
It's pretty good. That's pretty good, you guys.
It is pretty good though.
It's definitely a good Cinnabon substitute.
Right at home.
Okay.
Yeah.
What does Cinnabon taste like?
You ever had Cinnabon?
Yeah, but Daddy thinks it really tastes like Cinnabon.
Boy, you heavy.
I mean, what's the difference?
What you mean?
The difference between
He's
the
saying,
taste
why
and
you
this.
why
I
you
mean,
saying it's
I
not
want to
tasting
say,
like
what's the
Cinnabon?
substitute? What?
Oh, that's what I love about it. It's soft.
Yeah.
It's good. I mean,
Good.
if someone were to bring this to me in a Cinnabon box, I probably wouldn't know it was a Cinnabon.
That's
How
the
about
point I'm
that?
making right there.
I would know.
That's
would
the
know?
point. How would you know?
Okay.
I'm a Cinnabon.
Yes, baby. It's good though, you guys.
I wouldn't
Oh my
know.
goodness. Well, thank you all so much. That's good.
It's definitely worth doing it, y'all.
It's definitely worth trying it. Make sure when you cover it up that you cover it up tight. You know, make sure, you know, it's not loosely covered. Make sure it's good and covered.
So how come another one of these for me?
Yeah, I hate Steven didn't get to taste it this weekend. But that it's delicious, okay?
This is good.
So, exactly like Cinnabon, no, but real close. My dude number one thinks Cinnabon, thumbs up. So,
Yeah, I like to know the difference.
okay. Alrighty then, well you guys, we hope that you enjoyed this video. If you've not subscribed, please consider doing so.
It's right in the way.
Give the video a thumbs up.
What?
You had to get a paper plate.
You can't. You running around all your good Cindy stuff on there.
Yeah, you getting it all right, babe. If you've not subscribed, please consider doing so. Turn on that notification bell. That's that. Too busy eating, baby. What they need to do?
If you
Get the
diabetic,
what?
Y'all need to taste this.
Oh yeah, it's real rich. If you're diabetic, listen, I'm gonna need you to leave this alone.
don't.
It's really rich. I'm surprised you like it because it's so rich.
It's good.
It's good. You got some great money. Thank you guys so much for watching. You didn't tell him to hit the nosy, babe.
Good to
You
know.
was so
He's so
focused
into
on
the
scratching
eat,
the
to
plate.
Thank you.
Hit
guys.
the nose,
Say bye,
everybody.
Jackson. Bye. I mean, come up here so you can wave. Come here.
Come on, man. Tell everybody bye.
Wait a minute. Say, thank you guys so much for watching. We already look forward to you joining us again next time. Say bye.
Bye.